Stop! This is not a magic recovery video. This is the most honest BitLocker video on YouTube. Right now, thousands of people are panicking because BitLocker suddenly locked the PC, and nobody online tells them the whole truth. If your screen shows something like aka.ms/recoverykey and you don't know the password, watch this video very carefully, because I'll tell you exactly what is possible and what is permanently impossible. No falsehood, no fake software, only the truth. Why people are panicking. Let me say this clearly. Nobody turns on BitLocker intentionally. It's not like someone wakes up and says, "Oh, today I'll encrypt my entire computer." BitLocker activates silently in the background, and the moment it locks your system, that's when the pain starts. Your files, your photos, your work, everything suddenly feels trapped. People panic. People search YouTube desperately. And sadly, most videos give false hope, wasting time when every minute matters. The truth nobody tells you. Here's the truth nobody explains properly. BitLocker doesn't turn on randomly. If BitLocker is active on your PC, three things were already present. Number 1. You were using Windows 11 original activation. Number 2. You logged into Windows using a Microsoft account, not a local account. And number 3. TPM 2.0 was enabled in your BIOS. If these three conditions exist together, no one can stop BitLocker from activating. This is built into Microsoft security design. You can only pause it, turn it off manually, or decrypt the drive before it locks. But most users don't even know BitLocker exists until the recovery screen suddenly appears. Important reality check. Now listen very carefully. If a BitLocker password and recovery key are both lost, there is no CMD trick, no BIOS reset, no software, no computer shop. Your data cannot be recovered. I've seen people cry after losing family photos because of this. BitLocker is a real encryption, not hiding files, not a simple lock. Even Microsoft can't unlock it for you. They don't store your key in readable form. Once it's gone. Option 1. Personal Microsoft account. Now here's the most common success case. If a BitLocker screen shows aka.ms/recoverykey, that usually means the recovery key is stored in a Microsoft account. Here is exactly what to do. Take another phone, tablet, or computer. Go to onedrive.live.com/recoverykey. Sign in using the same Microsoft account that was used on the locked PC. Look carefully for a 48-digit recovery key. If you find one, type it exactly as shown on the locked computer. If it matches, your PC unlocks instantly, and your data is saved. This works for the most home users. Option 2. Office or company laptop. Now, if your screen shows aka.ms/aadrecoverykey, this means something very important. This is a work or office managed laptop. The recovery key is stored with the organization's IT admin. Only they can unlock it. You must contact your company's IT team and ask them to check their device management portal. Microsoft will not give this key to you. Only the admin can. What will never work? Let me save you hours of stress. These solutions are fake. CMD commands, BIOS downgrade, USB boot trick, password reset software. If someone promises recover BitLocker in 5 minutes, they're lying for views. Don't waste your time. Don't make the situation worse. Reset window. If you lost your Microsoft account, forget your login, don't have admin access, and no recovery key exists, there is only one option left. Format the drive, reinstall Windows. All data will be erased. I know it hurts, but this is the only honest answer. This is the critical warning. One last warning. If BitLocker has not fully locked yet, don't update BIOS, don't change TPM settings, don't reset the motherboard. These actions can force BitLocker to lock permanently. Let me summarize. BitLocker is automatic. Microsoft Account is your base hope. Office laptop means contact IT. No key means no data. The video tells the truth, even when it hurts. If this video saved you time or prevented data loss, please like this video. And comment below, did you recover a key or did you lose your data? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.